So your dad is the first African-American governor of Massachusetts, and he also became governor at a really pivotal time in the marriage equality debate. He was actually the first gubernatorial candidate in this country to be elected having supported marriage equality in his campaign. Did you have family conversations about being a high-profile African-American family that also supported LGBT rights during that time?
Sure. We had conversations with our family about what it might mean for my dad to take office in general, kind of public spotlight, scrutiny, things like that. But there were never any specific questions because there was never anything we were interested in hiding or kind of playing down. My dad, you know, kind of anybody who's ever heard him speak knows he frequently says, remember who you are and what you represent. And this question, I think, just completely, that was always something that he said to us growing up, but became even more, it said even more frequently throughout the kind of campaign process to us, just to remember kind of our grounding, and that though we were experiencing this campaign and maybe some kind of more eyes on us, that it was important that we just stay grounded and remember, again, who we are and what we represent. And in this case, it was a family that supports all sorts of things, but including LGBTQ rights and equality, and so that wasn't an issue for our family or anything we discussed specifically.
I definitely agree with Sarah. I just think it wasn't something we thought was that special. I don't think I even really realized that he was the first governor to be elected while actively campaigning for LGBT rights, because I figured, why wouldn't you? You know, it was just, for us, it's always been such a non-issue that it just seems so ridiculous to me that had never happened before. So like Sarah said, we definitely had conversations about what it would be like in general, but specific conversations about being a Black candidate who supported LGBT rights. I don't think that ever really kind of came up because we just thought, well, we know you. We figured, of course, you'd be supporting LGBT rights. It was nothing that was that big of a deal for us.